Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can create a GIF in CapCut. So let's get started. First of all, open your CapCut application on your phone, and after that you can click on new project right here to create new project. And after that you can select the video or photo that you want to make it as a GIF. And for example, I'm going to select this one. So just tap on the video or photo that you want to make it as a GIF. Then you can click on add right here to import the video or photo to your project. Okay, and after that we can edit the video before we export the video as a GIF. And for example, I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to select this ratio, and after that we can click on the check mark, and I'm going to zoom in the video to make it clearer like this. Okay, and to make my GIF more interesting, I'm going to put effect. I'm going to click on effect right here, and I'm going to add body effect. And wait guys, I'm looking for the suitable effect for my GIF, and I'm going to choose mood right here, and I think this effect is suitable for my GIF, so I'm going to select it. Okay, and I'm going to speed up the GIF, so I'm just gonna click on the video like this and click on speed, and I'm going to make it faster like this. Okay, and after we're done editing the GIF, we just need to tap on this button to export the video as a GIF. And since we want to make a GIF, we can click on this GIF option right here, and we can select the resolution, and I'm going to select this one and just click on save to device. Okay, and you just need to wait for the process. And after that, we can click on done right here, and we can check the GIF on our gallery. Okay, and let's check the GIF. Right, and this is the GIF that we have just created in CapCut, and that's how we can create a GIF in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.